fingers behind you. And pull your left knee with your right hand and then twist. Okay, you can start twisting from the belly, the chest, the shoulders, and then the neck. Look at the left shoulder. You can even push your left knee with your right hand if it feels good to twist. And then maybe close your eyes. Focus your awareness on your spine, from the back of the neck, all the way to the lower back. Carefully untwist, starting with the head, the shoulders, the chest, the belly, and the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand on the right knee, right fingers behind you. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to twist. Belly, chest, shoulders, and then the neck. Push your right knee with your left hand if you want to twist a little deeper. And then close your eyes, focusing your awareness on your spine, on the position of your spine. So then twist head, shoulders, chest, and then belly. Gather your knees, extend the legs out in front of you, and then we're going to bend the left knee. So I am mirroring you. Bend your left knee and lower the left knee down to the side. Extend the arms forward. One hand on top of the other. Activate the right foot. Slide the hands forward and then start to bow your head. Round your back. Press the left knee down towards the floor. Breathe in and breathing out. Inhale, slowly lift. Okay, walk your hands a little towards the inner side of your right knee and then bow your head, fold forward. You can slide your hands a little forward. You can come to the tips of your fingers. Maybe lift the palms like the shape of an inverted U. On the next inhale, lift the head, walk your fingers or move them towards the right side. Take an inhale. So you can stay here or you can slide forward if it feels good. Feel the openness and stretch on the left side body. Keep pressing your left knee to the floor. Keep twisting. And then inhale, slowly lift your head. You're going to glide the fingers back. Now move your left hand on the right side of the right knee and then the right fingers behind you. And then twist. Press the left knee down. Activate the right toes. Point the toes towards you. Toes are active. And then look towards the right shoulder. And then slowly untwist. Come back center. Okay, lower your left hand behind you and then lift the right arm up. Facing the palm up. Opening through the front body, the right armpit. And then come back center. Okay, we're going to twist again. Left hand on the right knee, right fingers behind you. Twist. And then come back center. Lower the left hand towards the back. Lift the right arm again. Lift through the chest. Okay, we're going to do that one last round. Then you have an option to lift your hips. Okay, so twist. Left hand on the right knee, right fingers behind you. Untwist, come back center. Lower the left hand down. Lift the right arm up. You can stay here or you can press your right heel. Lift your hips. Press the left knee. Small back bend. Very good. Exhale. Lower it down. Very nice. Lift the left knee and transfer the left foot on the right side of the right knee. Hug your left knee with your right arm. Twist to the left. Lower the left fingers down behind you. Maybe 6 to 8 inches. Keep hugging the left knee, your right arm. around your lower back, your middle back, and your upper back. Pull the shoulder blades apart. Tuck your chin and look at your belly area. This is your cat pose. And then we'll do that 3 more times. Inhale. Drop the belly, let it go through the heart, tilt the chin up, exhale, step around your back, tuck your chin, look towards the belly. And then 2 more rounds on your own, you can close your eyes. Synchronize breath and movement. Beautiful. So this is gonna go at your own pace because your breaths differ. So, and then once you're done with your 4th round of cow and then the cat pose, come back to neutral fetal position. There we go. Yes. So once you're back in neutral, extend the arms, reach the top edge of your mat or beyond it. Tilt the tailbone, keep lifting the hips, inhale here. As you exhale, start to move your forehead towards the floor. So it doesn't have to touch. But if you feel you can lower a little more, go ahead. So with every exhale, start to lower the forehead, moving it a little closer towards the floor. Keep stretching the arms, keep lifting the hips. This is your happy puppy pose. Beautiful. Everyone, breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Slowly press your palms down, lift the head, and then walk your hands back in line. Okay. Wrists under the shoulders. Very nice. And then take another breath here. On your next inhale, extend the left leg out behind you and tuck the left toes. Now, move your hips back. Press the left heel towards the floor. So parang it's like you want to step it down. So check the lata. So from here, you press it. Papunta sa likod. Good. Nice stretch. At the back. Sa back. So Mia, you need to move to the top of your mat. Sige. Sige pa. All the way up. Para nasa loob yung paa. Good. Okay. And then release. Come back neutral. Okay. And then from here, lift the left leg up. On the exhale, bend your left knee to your nose, nose to knee, round your back. It doesn't have to touch the nose, okay? Inhale, stretch it out again. And then exhale. Knee to nose, nose to knee. Inhale, stretch it out again. Beautiful. Exhale, bend, knee to nose to knee. Hold it here. Breathing in. Round your back. Circle the spine. Hold it here. Hold it here. Round your back. Tuck your chin. Circle the spine. And then exhale. Lower the left knee down. Very good. Okay. Let's do the other side. Extend the right leg. Tuck the right toes. And then start to press the right heel down. And also stretch the calf. No? Only if it feels good. Okay? And then inhale. Come back center. Lift the right leg up. Extend. Stretch. Lengthen the body. On the exhale, bend the right knee. Round your back. Knee to nose. Nose to knee. Inhale. Stretch it out again. Exhale to bend. Knee to nose. Nose to knee. Round your back. Inhale. Stretch it out again. Exhale. Knee to nose. Nose to knee. Round your back. Keep it here. Stay here. Press the earth away. Chin to chest. One more breath. And then slowly lower the right foot down. Very good. Now, relax the feet. Touch the big toes. Move your knees wide apart. And then move your hips back. Okay, so start to sit on your heels. May or may not happen. If it doesn't happen, keep your hips lifted, extend the arms forward, and then start to lower the forehead down. Okay, so whether your hips are lifting or your hips are all the way down to your heels, doesn't matter. Breathe. Full breaths in and full breaths out. On the next inhale, lift the head, look up. Let's come back to table position. Okay. Yeah, so sit down very well. Okay, sit down very well. You can sit on your heels. No, pwede umupo lang ganito. It's comfortable. So we're going to come to our, how are you? Are you okay? Good. So we're going to come to our first downward facing dog. I'm going to show it to you first, okay? So we will start in table position. Okay, we're going to press the palms, finger pads, and then tap the toes, and then we're going to lift the knees. Okay? Now, we're going to move the belly towards the knees, right? Stomach papunta sa mga tuhod, and then we're going to start to tilt the tailbone up, tilt it up. No? So parang baliktad na letter D. And then it's okay to bend your knees. No? Pwedeng nakabend yung knees, pwedeng nakalift yung heels, pwedeng diretso yung knees, pwedeng nakababa yung heels. Okay? What's important is you look for that stretch on your back, and then the belly is pressing, and the chest is pressing down. Okay? Downward facing dog. Mami, ginawa ko na ito last time. I remember. Okay. Yeah. Alright, everyone, tuck your toes, lift the knees, konti, belly, stomach, papunta sa knees, and then lift your hips, head between the arms. Very good. You can bend your knees a little, no? Pwede i-bend ng konti, pwede nakalift yung heels, pwedeng diretso. So, good. Stillness muna tayo, stillness. And then lower the knees down. Very good. Beautiful. Downward facing dogs. So, Mia, you're going to be doing thousands of downward facing dogs in your yogi life. Okay, so this is the first one. And so, it's a memorable day for you. Okay, now we're going to start to walk the hands back. Walk your hands back. And then move your blanket sa side. Come to a standing position. And then walk all the way forward to the top of your mat. Okay. So, hindi pantay-pantay ang mga hands nyo para hindi magkakantay ang mga arms. Si Dr. Mandara, wala siyang katabi. Okay, so wala siyang tatabangan. Okay. And so, on the inhale, here we're going to lift the arms through the sides and up. Palms touching, look up towards your thumbs. Press your palms against each other and lengthen the spine. Inhale. This is your upward salutation. Exhale here. Continue to breathe in. And then breathe out. Beautiful. Hands to your heart. Exhale here. Good. This is called prayer pose. Hands to your heart. Lenny, put your palms together to your heart. Very good. Now, this is called prayer pose or Anjali Mudra. Mudra is hand position. Okay, let's do that again. Inhale, the arms through the sides and up, palms touching. Exhale, hands to your heart. Interlace the fingers in front of you, reverse and push. Lift the arms overhead. Take an inhale here. As you exhale, side bend to the left, hips to the right. And then come back center, inhale, arms to the right, hips to the left. Come back center, inhale. On the exhale, release your hands, let the elbows in cactus. Lift your heart. And then reach the arms up again. Make fists and then circle. And then start here are moving towards each other, parang kissing. Kissing yung shoulder blades. And then release. Beautiful. Okay? Lift the arms up again. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to your heart. Take another inhale here. Exhale. Reverse and push. Shift the arms up. Side bend. Arms to the left. Hips to the right. Back to the center. Inhale. Arms to the right. Hips to the left. Side bend. Come back. Center. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Lift them up again. Inhale. This time, palms touching. On the exhale, release. Interlace the fingers behind you. Have your feet a little wider apart. And then stretch the arms. Slightly bend your knees. And then lift the arms as you start to fold forward. Just relax. Can be lifting halfway or 1/4 way or all the way. So listen to your body. Wherever you are is fine. Beautiful. You can slightly bend your knees now. Nice. And then lower your fingers down. Keep folding forward. Lower the hands down. You're going to lift the right arm. Bend your left knee. Stretch your right knee, right fingers. Reaching to the sky. Lower the right hand down. Start to bend your right knee. Straighten the left knee. Lift the left arm up. And then lower the left fingers down. Roll up. So glide your fingers to the tops of your feet. Through the front of the shins, the knees, the thighs. Roll up bone by bone. Last to come up, shoulders, neck, and then the head. Very good. Close your eyes. Arms facing forward. Feet a little close towards each other. It is wide as the hips. And then close your eyes. Suck your belly in, engage the core muscles. Imagine lifting your pelvic floor muscles. And then lift your pelvic floor muscles by closing front and back passage. Feel the strength of your legs ground down on your feet. This is your mountain pose. So like a mountain, you are nourishing. You are rooted to the earth. You are seen. Open your eyes. Palms together, hands to your heart. Okay, inhale. Lift the arms up. Look up towards the thumbs. And then exhale. Slightly bend your knees. Okay, so release the lock on your knees and then lower your fingers down. Now start to relax your shoulders. Relax your neck and your head. So you can be looking at the space between your knees or between your legs or between your ankles. Relax the head, let it be heavy, let it let go. This is your forward fold. On the next inhale, look up, look forward, hands on the shins. Now, start to straighten the knees. Find a flat back, straighten the arms, and then look up. So medyo nakatilt yung tailbone, so there's a small arch on your back. On the exhale, slightly bend the knees again, and then fold forward. Inhale, rise up, roll up bone by bone. Reach your arms through the sides, lift them up, have your palms touching, hands to your heart. Exhale, your curves. There we go. Lift the arms up, inhale. Exhale, slightly bend your knees, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift, hands on the shins, flat back, build the chin up. Arch on the back. Look up, Lenny. Yeah, flat back. Good, straight knees. Yeah, diretso may tuhod. Good, there we go. Exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, rise up, roll up, bone by bone. Reach the arms up again, palms touching. Exhale, hands to your heart, prayer. So that was 1/2 sun salutation. Very good. Okay, put your hands now on your waist. Shift your weight to your Lift and bend your left knee and step your left foot all the way towards the back. Okay, so we're doing the same side. Move the right hip back and gently press the left hip forward so you can square your hips. Tuck your tailbone in, suck the belly in. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Find a focal point, something that you can focus on, something that does not move. Okay. Now, from here, our back is straight. Okay, it's not hinging forward or leaning back. Make sure you see your toes. So when you glance down, you see your toes. If you don't see your toes, move your foot forward. Pag hindi nyo nakikita yung toes nyo from here, it means you need to move your foot forward. Release the arms. Warrior one, inhale, reach the arms up. Palms facing each other. Okay. Breathe here. And then open a little wider. Move your chair and then bend your right knee. Good. Arms in line with your ears. Okay. Breathing in. And then breathing out. After tailbone in. Lose the yung sexy back. Pasok natin. Pasok yung. Kasi there are going to be a lot of warrior ones also when you're going to practice. And if you keep tilting your tailbone up, you're going to cause some pain. And then, hindi ka makakapag-yoga. Masakit yung likod mo. On your exhale, start to face towards the left side. Okay? Now, point your left toes. 9 o'clock. Arms to a D, face your palms down. And then look at your longest right finger. Again, tuck your tailbone in. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. This is warrior two. We're still bending the right knee. Good. On the next inhale, left hand on the left side of your left thigh. Flip the right palm. Face the right palm up. And then slowly lift it up. Tapos side bend. Keep bending the right knee. Look at your left foot. Okay. Breathing in and breathing out. Very nice part. Everyone inhale. Exhale. Come back center. Arms to a D. Warrior two. Bend the right arm. Rest your right arm. Relax lang siya. No? Sa taas ng right thigh. Left arm reaches up. Look at your left thumb. And then exhale. Slant your left arm overhead. Beautiful. Breathe. Inhale. Very nice form. Exhale. Okay? So, wala siyang kanto dito sa hips. No? Walang kanto dito. It's flat. Slanting siya. Okay? So, lose that. Lose that corner. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come back. Warrior two. Hands to a T. You have the longest right finger. And then from here, straighten the right knee. Both knees are straight. Move your hips to the left. Reach forward with your right hand. And then relax the right arm. Lower it down in front of your right. On the inner side of your right knee. Lift the left arm up. Triangle pose. Okay, so both knees are straight. You can stay here. You can go a little lower. Make sure if you're going lower, the knees are straight. Okay? Taking another full breath here. Straight, front knee is straight, and straight in the front. Good. And then come back center. Okay. Hands on your hips, feet together, top of the mat. Come back to the top of your mat. Take as many steps as you need. Beautiful. And take it up. So welcome everything that's happening to your body, the sweat, the warmth. The peace in your heart, and calmness of your mind. We're going to do the other side. Okay, so put your hands on your hips. Okay, we're going to take one big step back. Okay, to the left with the right foot. Lift and then the right knee and all the way back. So same cues. So pag nakaharap dito, the right foot is angled. Hips face forward dito. Parang dito. Sa harap. Good. Yan. Okay. And then push your right Legs are strong. Very nice form. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, start to ground down. Press on the outer edge of the right foot and the inner arc of the left foot. On the next exhale, face towards the right side with the arms up to a T. You can adjust the right foot, pointing at 3 o'clock. And then look at your longest left finger. Beautiful. Warrior two. Again, check your tailbone. Kung nakapag-tilt siya, tuck it in. Point it down. We don't need that unnecessary weight or stress sa lower back. Very good. Reverse warrior. On your inhale, right hand on the right side of the right thigh. Flip the left palm up. Lift it up. So dito lang yan, no? Beside the ear, the left arm, and then side bend. It doesn't have to be very deep. Keep bending the left knee. This time the right foot is pointing 3 o'clock. Beautiful. Breathe. Openness on the left side body. And then come back. Warrior two. Start to bend the left arm. Okay. Reach the right arm up. And then slant the right arm overhead. You can slide the right foot towards the back, a little more open to deepen the stretch. Breathe here. Beautiful. Inhale. Very nice part, everyone. Exhale. One more breath. And then slowly come back. Warrior two. Straighten the left knee. Come up to the right. Reach forward with the left hand. And then start to lower the left hand on the inner side of your left knee. Lift the right arm up. Both knees are straight. If you want to go a little lower, go ahead. For as long as the knee is straight. And find your whole body in this flat lateral plane. Slowly come back. Warrior two. Hands on your hips. Again, take as many steps as you need so you can come back to the top of your mat. Very good. Palms together, hands to your heart. Let's take it to tree pose. Shift your weight to your right leg. I'm going to mirror you here. Tiptoe your left foot and point your left knee towards the left side. Rest your left foot against the inner right ankle. Now, find a focal point. Okay, so your focal point is something that's not moving. No? So it can be a dot on the wall. It can be something on the floor. When you find your focal point, start to lift both arms overhead. Okay? Both arms overhead. So the shoulders are not lifting, no? They're moving away from the ears. And then the arms are in line with the ears. Now you can stay where you are, or you can slide your left foot above the ankle, below the knee. Okay? Avoid the knee area. You can stay where you are. Find your focal points of the belly in. Continue to breathe. Closing front and back passage. Balance and strength. Building up. Inhale. Exhale. Slide it down. Hands to your heart. Very good. Breathing in. And breathing out. Nice. Beautiful balance today, everyone. Please shift your weight, your left leg. Tiptoe your right foot. Point your right knee towards the right side and rest the right foot against the inner left ankle. Okay? Again, find your focal point. And then lift the arms overhead. Breathe here. Start to move the belly muscles inwards. Suck it in. Lifting the pelvic floor, closing the front and back passage. And then slide your right foot above the ankle, below the knee. Avoid the knee area. If you want to go higher, you want to go deeper, move it above the knee. Avoid the knee area. Hindi yung tuhod. Okay? It's not safe to press down sa tuhod. Inhale. Beautiful. Exhale. Hands to your heart. Lower the right foot down. Good. Shake it off. Right hand on your right hip. Tiptoe your left foot. You can move the left knee forward and then you can stay here. Okay? Or left leg, tiptoe, and then lift the right knee. Hold the right knee from the inner side, and then press open. Focus the eyes. Engage the belly muscles, closing front and back passage, and make sure you're breathing. When you hold your breath, the brain panics. Okay? Return to the center, lower the right foot down. Beautiful. Lift the arms through the sides and up. Arms touching. On the exhale, release. And then cross your right arm over your left arm, hug yourself. Lift the elbows, point them up towards the ceiling. You can look up. On the exhale, bend the knees, sit low, round your back, tuck your chin. Sit a little lower. Feel the stretch on the upper back. Feel the stretch on your spine, the stretch on the hips. Beautiful, everyone. Inhale. And then exhale, slowly come up. Very good. Release arms. Okay. Lift arms up again. And then release. This time, left over the right arm. Hug yourself. Lift the elbows. Look up. Exhale, bend the knees, sit low, round your back, stretch your spine, release tension. Breathe. Very good. Feel that openness. You can bend your knees a little more, sit a little lower, it feels good. And then slowly come up. Very good. Release the arms, release the legs. Or shake your legs a bit. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're talking about when we say improved blood circulation. This is stretch lahat. Okay, so I forgot to ask. Is it okay if I take pictures? Okay. Okay. Next. Put your hands on your hips or your knees. Okay, sit low, bend the knees. Cross your left leg over the right leg. And then lower the left toes down to the side. Okay. Good. Nice. Left over the right leg. Your other left toes. Okay. Now, see if you can lift the left foot. And then lower. Release. Let's do the other side. Inhale here. Exhale, bend the knees, sit down. Cross the right leg over the left. Tiptoe the right foot. Or you can lift. Just try. Nice. Lower down. And very good. Now, yung arms and yung legs, combine natin. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Right over your left arm, hug yourself. Lift the elbows, point them up towards the ceiling. On the inhale, you can look up. Beautiful. And then exhale. Bend your knees. Sit low. Round your back. Tuck your chin. Good. Bow. Left over the right. Over the left toes or lift. Okay, so balancing on your right leg. Beautiful. Take another breath here. Stretch through the spine. Add a stretch on the hips. Just gonna cross the legs. And then slowly come up. Lower and release the legs. Release the arms. Lift the arms up. Crossing the left arm over the right arm. Hug yourself. Lift the elbows up. Exhale, round your back, sit low, bending the knees. Beautiful. Whenever you're ready, right over the left. And then breathe here, top your chin, bow your head. Excuse me. Nice. Eagle pose. Slowly release. Relax, release the arms. Beautiful. Smile. So we did some seated poses, some balancing poses, tree pose, and we did yung eagle pose. We did some standing poses, yung mga warrior, reverse warrior. Okay? Now, we're going to do the sun salutations. So come back to the top of your mat. So this is about 3 or 4 inches from the edge of the mat. Okay? Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, start to bend your knees and then fold forward. Relax the shoulders and the neck and bend them. Inhale, halfway lift, look up, flat back, straight arms, straight knees. Hands on the shins, sa ilalim lang ng tungkod. Tilt the tailbone. Okay, lift the heart. Very good. Exhale, slightly bend the knees, fold forward again, step the right foot all the way back. Lower your right knee down. And then reach the arms up. Inhale, low lunge. Nice. Exhale, lower the hands down. Lift the right knee, feet together at the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Inhale. Flat back again. Tilt the tailbone. Exhale, fold forward, left foot back. Lower the left knee down. Reach the arms up. Good. Lower the hands down. Tuck your left toes. Lift the left knee. Feet together. Top of the mat. Halfway lift. Again. Hands on the shins. Fold forward. Exhale. Inhale. Rise up. Reach your arms all the way up. And then hands to your heart in prayer. And then release. That was a modified sun salutations. Okay. We'll do that. One more round. I'll cue. And then try to do it on your own. Okay, at the top of your mat. Inhale, lift the arms forward and up. Have the palms touching. Gaze up towards your hands. Exhale, fold forward. Relax your head. Let it be heavy or let it be light. Halfway lift, inhale, hands on the shins, flat back. Straight arms, straight knees. Very nice. Exhale, fold forward again. Step your left foot this hand. Left foot all the way back. Lower your left knee down. Lift the arms up. Inhale. Low lunge. Beautiful. On the next exhale, start to lower your hands down. Both sides of the right foot. Tuck your left toes. Lift the left knee. Feet together. Top of the mat. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale. Fold forward and step the right foot all the way back. Lower the right knee down. Inhale. Lift the arms all the way up. And then exhale. Lower the hands down. Very good. Tuck the right toes. Lift the right knee. Feet together. Halfway lift. Inhale. Flat back. Exhale. Fold. Rise up. Inhale. Reach the arms all the way up. Arms together, hands to your heart, exhale, and then release. Okay. So next pose, high plank. Inhale, lift arms. Exhale, fold forward. Flatten your palms, step the left foot all the way back. Step the right foot all the way back. Find your plank. So, from the name itself, you're like a plank of wood. Beautiful. Lower the hips a little. Look up or look forward. Very good. Okay, lower your knees down. Lower your hips, lower your belly, lower your chest, lower your chin. Now, relax your feet, the tops of your feet. And move your hands beside your chest, rib cage, below the chest. Take an inhale. Lift the chin. Peel your chest, stretch the arms, press, lift all the way up, upward facing dog. Very good. Now, you can look up a little if it feels good. You can make a back bend and then breathe here. Inhale. Very nice. Everyone, exhale. Good. Breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. Now, from upward facing dog, okay, we're going to move the hips up and back to table position. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, lift your hips, belly to the knees, stomach presses to the knees or your thighs, the chest moves towards the floor, your head is between your arms or moving, relaxing beyond the line of your arms. Downward dog. The upper look forward, lower your knees down. Very good. Beautiful downward facing dog, everyone. Okay, move your hips and then release the legs out in front of you. Now, we're back to seated pose. Bend the knees and then move the feet apart. Point your fingers back. Lift through the chest, stretching the front body, lifting the chest, maybe a small back bend. And then come back to neutral. Lower your knees to the left, lift the right hip, look at your right shoulder. Very good. Come back center, inhale, lower the knees to the right, lifting the left hip, gazing at the left shoulder. Very nice. Come back center. Good. Okay, we're going to start to lower down. Bring a block with you, lower your back, lower the head. Now set your blocks aside, somewhere you can reach it, okay? And then we're going to bend the knees, plant the feet on the floor, press down on your feet, press your palms, lift your pelvis, and then lift it up. Lift the hips, lift the lower back, lift the middle back. Breathe here. This is your bridge pose. On the exhale, lower down bone by bone until you're lowered all the way to your lower back. Okay, we'll do that 3 more times. Inhale, lift the hips, lift the belly, lift the chest. Exhale, lower down. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale to lower down. Very good. One last time. Breathing in, lifting all the way up. Good. And then breathing out, lower all the way down. Now, reach for your block. Lift your hips. And then slide the block under your sacrum, so the lower back area. Above the butt cheeks, below the spine, and then rest your lower back against that. So the feet are still apart, knees are still apart. Good. Press the palms, lift both feet up, and point the toes towards the ceiling. Good. And then hold it here. Breathing in. Breathing out. Observe how this feels to move some fresh blood, some fresh oxygen towards the upper body. Can be very calming. Bend your knees and then lower the feet down to the floor. Press the feet down, lift your hips, remove the top, set it to the side. Lift your feet, hug your knees to your chest, and then rock side to side. Rock to the left, rock to the right. Now come back center. Move your arms between your knees, between your legs, and then lift your feet, face the soles of your feet towards the ceiling. You can be reaching for your ankles or your shins or the outer edges of your feet. Legs, feet wide apart. Good. Rock side to side. Happy baby pose. And then slowly come back center. Release your legs all the way down. Have your feet apart. Rest our final resting pose. Okay, so relax your head, relax your shoulders and your neck. Relax your arms all the way to the tips of your fingers. legs together, feet together. Lift your arms overhead, full body stretch. Reach your fingers, point your toes. Straighten the legs. And then release the stretch. Lie down